In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect feedback with Confluence. Collecting clear, actionable feedback in Confluence is straightforward, and you can do it with comments, a simple form, or both. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to gather input. If you plan to add a form, click the edit pencil to enter the page editor. If you just want comments, you can leave the page as it is. A short intro at the top of the page telling people what kind of feedback you're looking for can set expectations and improve the quality of responses. A clear page title like "Feedback for this document" also helps reviewers know they're in the right place. Next, scroll to the bottom and make sure the comments section is visible and active. Viewers can leave general comments there, and they can also highlight text or sections of the page to add inline comments right where their feedback applies. Encourage reviewers to be specific and, when needed, to use mentions to loop in the right owners. If you don't see comments, your space or page permissions may be limiting them, so double check with your admin. By the way, if you need access to Confluence or an add-on, there's a link to the website at the top of the description. I've also included a marketplace link for a form solution if you choose to use one. If you prefer structured feedback, add a form. In the editor, type the /key to open the macro menu and search for forms or confi forms. Insert a feedback form with a few concise fields, such as optional name or email, a rating field using 1 to 5 stars or a simple number, and a comments or suggestions field. Place the form near the top of the page so it's easy to find, and add brief helper text for each field so people know exactly what to provide. Before publishing, configure how submissions are handled. Decide who can submit feedback, whether that's everyone with access, specific groups, or anonymous users. Turn on notifications if you want alerts when new feedback arrives. Make sure responses are saved to a table you can view on the page and export later for analysis. If you're collecting optional contact details, be transparent about how you'll use them. When you're ready, publish and share the page link with your team or stakeholders. Let them know whether you prefer inline comments, general comments, or the form, and encourage them to be specific. Setting a light deadline can help drive timely responses. Finally, review what comes in. Check inline comments and the submissions table regularly, export the data if you need it for reporting, and respond or take action so people see their input making a difference. Before launching widely, do a quick test of the comments and the form to confirm everything saves and notifies as expected. Thanks for watching.